Hi guys, welcome to Make Money with Video. I'm Jay Roberts, and today's video we're going to look at YouTube niches. Now, if you're thinking about starting a channel and you're looking for some YouTube channel ideas, then this is the video for you guys. This is my channel. This is where I show videos of how to create, how to make money with video using different video softwares, and I upload them to different social medias. So feel free to come and check it out, guys. I have also got other videos showing different YouTube ideas, so feel free, guys. Now let's get into this, guys. The first channel is called Casual Navigation. Now this channel, according to Social Blade, is making between £373 to £6,000 per month, and they're just uploading about boats and boats basically, guys. So they're looking at different places where boats and ships and stuff like that go to. They're looking at how they sink and how they're built, etc., guys. So if you're into this and this is the kind of channel you want to do, feel free to come and check it out, guys. Again, that's Casual Navigation. Moving on to the next one is called Viral Bee, and this one is making between £921 to £14,700 per month, and this is all about animals, guys. So yeah, like these dogs can't live without humans. 10 cute animals on the dark sides, 10 dogs that look completely different before, and yeah, all about dogs, guys. And the thumbnails look quite impressive as well, don't they? So yeah, come and check this out, guys. If you're into this, if you're into your dogs, if you're into your pets, come and check it out, guys. So again, Viral Bee. Moving on to the next one, guys, is, if you're into it, product demos, product reviews and demos, etc., guys. Now, he's not making as much. He's making between $10 and $164 per month. But let me tell you this, guys, he's doing affiliate marketing, where he puts the links to the products in the description. When people search for these products, because they're all new up-and-coming products, so when people are searching for these, he is making affiliate commissions, guys. That's how he's making the bulk of his money. So if you fancy doing that, you can go to sites like Warrior Plus, Amazon, ClickBank, and you can look for the latest products and do reviews about them, guys. It's pretty easy, guys. But that one, you have to be on you have to be on camera, unless you do it like I'm doing now and just don't bother showing your face. The next one, guys, is Top 5 Best. Now this one, I do like these kind of channels, the facts and stuff like that, so you can learn as well, guys. And this channel is making between 2.6 and 41,000 per month, guys. Yep, that's per month. Now these are doing like 10 biggest predatory dinosaurs in the world, smallest devices ever, 10 of Godzilla's greatest enemies, craziest weapons that were actually used. And it's just interesting, guys. These kind of videos are interesting. And guys, did you see that phone here? I've actually got one of them still. It's a Nokia brick. Moving on to the last channel, guys. This is called Train Plane Hub, and basically he's making between 106 to 1.7 thousand per month, guys. And he's probably using affiliate marketing as well. But he's just going to like train stations and airports and just basically recording on his phone. That's how easy, guys. He doesn't show his face. He's probably not even speaking. And yeah, the thumbnails, he's not even making any thumbnails. He's just using whatever YouTube suggests. So if you're into this, guys, this is probably one of the easiest channels you can do. Just go and record some like trains and planes and make some money. He'll probably be using, if I was him, I'd be using affiliate marketing and linking to like certain like airlines and train lines, and making commissions that way, guys. So that is it, guys. Short and simple, but there's 5 more YouTube niche ideas, and feel free to come and check the channel out, guys. If you like any of them videos, let me know in the comments. And until next time, guys, I'm Jay Roberts. This is Make Money with Video.